Hey, editor. 3 years ago, I was charging $150 per edit and living with my girlfriend's parents, hunched over a tiny desk right beside my sleeping girlfriend and newborn son, trying to get an edit done. Wondering if this is even worth my time or if I should just ditch my dreams for another desk job. Now, last week, I turned down a $5,000 project because my calendar was full. You've probably realized by now that there's one skill that separates broke, struggling editors from those securing $4,000 retainers. It's not fancy VFX, it's not cutting every second, it's definitely not about hacking the YouTube algorithm. It's about tapping into the human algorithm. Over the past few years, I've worked with massive clients like Will Tennyson, Jeff Nippard, and Alpha M. Together, the videos I've edited have amassed well over 1 billion views. I went from charging $100 per project to securing high-ticket retainers. Typically, I'm only working 2 to 3 days a week now. All because I learned how to become an elite editor. Now here's what happened when I applied my psychological tactics to Will's content. Before I was hired, he would get around 200 to 300K views a video. First video we did together, 2.1 million views. Next video, 2 million views. Now, we average 2 to 4 million views every single video. Doing this, I realized it wasn't about effects, transitions, or even the quality of the content itself. It was about how it made people feel. Most editors think the key to making more money is getting better at editing, so they grind for years trying to master flashy edits. But if skill alone was enough, wouldn't the best editors be the richest? Spoiler, they're not. These methods work for beginners and pros because it's rooted in human psychology, not fancy gimmicks. When you master things like time manipulation, blackout editing, and dissonant musical scoring, clients will start to see you as irreplaceable. I'm not exaggerating. When I told one of my clients I needed to dedicate more time to working on a program, I suggested he look for a backup editor. After 2 weeks of searching, he gave up. He said no one understood the content like I did. A YouTuber with 2.9 million subscribers would rather do the cutting himself than send the work to another editor. That's when you know you've tapped into the human algorithm. I've created the Elite Editor Academy to help you achieve the same results. You'll learn how to leverage human psychology to trigger emotions through editing. And unlike other courses that just give you basic editing theory, you'll see what it's actually like to edit under a high pressure with footage I'd never seen before from an edit with nearly 3 million people waiting for the video's release. If you're an editor ready to stop chasing clients and start attracting them, join Elite Editor Academy. If you're a creator ready to create addicting content that demands virality, join Elite Editor Academy. Y'all have a good one.